Hey, YouTube. Well, I called bullshit on this case when it first happened a few months ago, or when it was first reported a few months ago. This case against Kevin Spacey. Now, I'm not taking up for Kevin Spacey or anything like that, but I think in his particular case, this is just bullshit. These people are just trying to get some money out of him. Okay, as you guys remember the case, Kevin Spacey took some kid out. He was a kid at the time. He was 18 years old. The kid drank with him all night long, right? Then he was accused. The boy is saying over a year later, 14 to 16 months, something like that. He said that Kevin Spacey groped him. And he has a picture of it on his phone. Now, how this man is able to time just when Kevin Spacey puts his hand into his pants, that in that very moment, someone took the picture. Okay, so we said, well, if he gets the picture, he must have been guilty, even though it does seem suspicious that the man would have timed it just right. Obviously, someone was there with the camera waiting for that man to touch him. They know this was an older gay man and a successful actor, and they thought it would be valuable to get this on film, obviously. At any rate, the mother is very involved in this case. She used to be a newscaster or something in Boston. She recognizes what gifts celebrity can bring. Now they're in court. Last week we heard that the boy had dropped his civil case against Kevin Spacey. Now, why would you go through all this and then drop the case if you had a case? There are two options. Either Spacey and his attorneys have offered this guy money just to let this thing go, or they just simply didn't have a case. What happened today in court was absolutely disgraceful. This guy, they're claiming that the reason they had this case is because there's a picture of Kevin Spacey groping this boy's penis, or got his hand in his pants or something, which would happen. You out drinking with an older man all night long who you know is a homosexual. I mean, what the hell you doing hanging out drinking with a man all night long that you know is gay, and you don't think he's in any way attracted to you? Obviously, in the conversation, you could probably tell that. At any rate, so now the phone, they said, oh, some things were, the mother's saying, oh, I deleted some things from the phone. As I said, this mother is very involved in this case. She knows what looks good and what doesn't. She deleted things from this phone. So the cops had the phone. They said they gave the phone back to the people, but they didn't get a receipt for it. So now guess what? Now the phone is missing. I don't know what we did. How would you be involved in a case like this against this major movie star all over the news for many, many months? And you just put the phone somewhere and forgot where you put it? Obviously, there's something in that phone that would incriminate this kid. Probably text messages that didn't sound so innocent. At any rate. So now they're saying they don't know where the phone is. First, they admitted that they tampered with the phone. Now they're saying they don't even know where the phone is. So this thing here is done, in my opinion. He dropped the civil case. That was the only hope to get any more money. And now they're getting up there talking about they done lost the damn phone, which is so, what an asinine lie. Stupid. And in addition to that, the kid gets on the phone, on the stage, which I should no longer call him a kid because he's now 21. He gets on the stage and he takes the fifth against incriminating himself. No, me and my parents did not set him up. No, I always tell my mom when someone gropes me. Please. So I'm not just sticking up for a gay man or anything like that. I'm not saying that Kevin Spacey should get off because he's a big actor or whatever. But it's just, they played him. They played him and they thought they were about to become rich. My only hope is that he did not give these people money, which is a good possibility they did. They call it settling. They could have settled the thing out of court, signing non-disclosure, which would include taking the fifth on the stand. The boy was so drunk. I mean, I don't know how he's even able to make all these moves. His mother took over the situation after he returned home with the evidence. He don't remember nothing all of a sudden now. He don't remember anything. And they also revealed that it wasn't 3 months as first reported that he reported this or told his mother about it. It was over a year, like a year and a half. So I think 14, 16 months, something like that. This thing. Now you think about a person who's falling down drunk a year and a half ago will suddenly remember the details of this situation. And it's not the accusation. It's not even that the man had sex with him, and he was 18 years old. That's not even the accusation. So I don't even know if it would be illegal if he did have sex with him. But he didn't say he had sex with him. He said he touched him or touched his privates. This boy played this man for drinks. They were out all night. Maybe he was a little starstruck to hang out with a swimming star because the guy was obviously attracted to him. And then he tried someone, and I don't think it was just his kid. Mom, I think someone else saw an opportunity here to get some money. I don't know if he gave him any or not, but my hope would be that he didn't give him shit. All right, people. Later.